But basically, it's still running Intel Core Duo on the inside. We have our Cooler Master, which I would think is like the Evo. So this is gonna be my old system right here. I'll turn it on so you guys can kind of see the way I have it set up. Basically, as you can see, I'm missing my front panel right here, and it's been like that for a few years. And I only recently put in these RGB lights because I needed a little bit more airflow. But basically, it's still running Intel Core Duo on the inside. We have our Cooler Master, which I would think is like the Evo now, heatsink on there, and basically 4 gigs of RAM. We have our Asus Z490 on the bottom there. There was 650 watt power supply. Pretty much everything in this is original from like 2009, except for the SSD and the graphics card, which I think I got in like 2012, 2013. And yeah, so today we're gonna build a new system and upgrade this thing, and I'm gonna reuse my graphics card because of course right now you can't get any kind of graphics card. So hopefully this graphics card will get me going for at least maybe a year until the new ones come to stock. So let's go. This literally just came in when we were shooting our first part. So we'll see, hopefully everything turns out okay when I open the box. This is the new Fractal 2 Meshify 2 compact. I didn't want something as big as my old tower. I have seen the first Meshify in person. I was like, I like that size, but I went ahead and got the Meshify 2 because it's the new one. It was pretty packaging. And so basically, I feel like this will be just the right size for, you know, cooling purposes and basically being easy to build with. I think this is how you do it. You turn it upside down. And got it unboxed, but I wanted to leave the plastic on for you guys. So let's see here. I already like the size and I'm looking at it. Oh. There you go. Wow. That's cool. This is definitely the right size. Let me move my old computer next to it. Oh, this thing's a beast. Well, height-wise, it's actually the same, but it's shorter. It's a lot shorter, which is good. So perfect. I think we're I'm gonna have a pretty fun time building with this case over here. Awesome. All right, so taking a closer look at it, I really do like the front design of this case. It's one of the main reasons why I probably got this one, is because, I mean, I do like my RGB lighting and everything, but some cases for me, there's a little too much. I feel like this will kind of meld the two nicely. On the side here, we have our dark tempered glass. Again, I got the dark tempered glass because I do like RGB, but I don't want it to be so bright and maybe kind of annoying, especially when I'm trying to do work. So I feel like the dark glass will look great with the colors on the inside, but not be too bright. And this thing is nice and compact. I have to say, it's better than I expected, even though I was expecting a lot. And let's see if I can take this front off. I guess I haven't done this before. Oh, it is easy, nice. So that thing just slides right off. And you can see the inside here. It comes with two 140mm fans in the front, which I'm gonna leave like that because that's a lot of nice airflow right there. And it comes with a 120mm fan in the back for the exhaust, so that's gonna be good. I haven't really figured out what I'm going to be doing in terms of the layout of this case, but I'll probably put my RGB fans probably on the top right here. I don't think I'm going to put one on the bottom, but I guess we'll have to see in our build and see what I end up with. There we go. Nice. Alright, it's a pretty good looking board. You can see, I want to show you guys all the connectors because this is what I was having trouble looking at when I was trying to find videos on YouTube about this one. So there's one of the M2 slots right there, the main one. There's all your connectors there. Your I/O ports and shield in the back right here. Nice. There we go. All right, now it's time to get this bad boy installed. This is the part that freaked me out. Okay. I guess it's supposed to be. So now it's time for the thermal paste for the heatsink and the CPU. I chose Noctua because, you know, they're a good brand. Can't really afford their fans, but I can afford the thermal paste. To do 3 to 4 millimeters in diameter. How big is this one here? Oh, that's a lot over. Okay, so it's smaller than that amount. Wow, okay. See, it's good to know. Maybe it's good to do like a little test run. So now I know how much I have to put. And I have a little reference now. Now let's go ahead and add that on. cable management right here. Now I'm gonna have to deal